let me show you stupid simple strategy on how you can sell AI Receptionist and virtually any AI service to local businesses without cold calling and without actually going and harassing people on the phone call, okay? Because I know a lot of you want to sell AI services, but you don't want to cold call, you don't want to, do a bunch of different stuff to go and basically harass local businesses to purchase from you, okay? So in this case, I'm going to be showing you how to do it without cold calls, with AI to do the selling for you and fully automated, okay? If you have Go HighLevel, this will be easy for you. If you don't have Go HighLevel, you can still sign up with our 30-day free trial link, and you will also get some other strategies and access to the private community as well. You're going to sign up to Go HighLevel anyway. Why not do it with my own link? You get extra 30-day free trial along with my private community access, free snapshots, and a full system for selling AI to local businesses. You will sign up to Go HighLevel either way. Why not sign up through someone that can actually teach you? And the best part, it costs you nothing extra. The link is down below. But yeah, let's get started, right? This is for any local business, again, as I said, and this is usually how it goes, right? Every local business, it's losing money on every missed call. I mean, you already know that. That's why you want to go and you want to sell AI services to these local businesses. So obviously they need a solution, right? And again, like most businesses, they don't find a solution unless you cold call them or, you simply go and you simply harass them, right, on the call. So what you want to do here is, and what we're doing here is we have a 3-step no cold call system. This is what I call a no cold call system. Essentially, you build your AI voice agent, right? And you can build this in Go HighLevel. You created a branded AI voice receptionist. You share the demo link, so you put it on the website. So if you're working inside Go HighLevel, you can build an AI voice agent and you can embed it on the website. And that website can literally be a blank website. And you let it book calls 24/7 even while you sleep. How? Well, with YouTube content funnel, right? You post videos targeting HVAC, targeting plumbers, contractors, and you drive them to your AI demo, which in this case is an AI demo line, okay? So you drive them to your AI demo line, and then the AI qualifies them and books the call with them, okay? I will show you later in my Go HighLevel how that works and how that looks like. But essentially, the calls get booked and you don't have to pretty much do anything. You just want to focus on creating YouTube content, just like I'm creating right here, but for a different purpose. Right here, I'm creating content for teaching you guys. So in this case, you demo the call and you close them. So you show up on the call, you demo the same AI with their business prompts, okay? So you use the same AI voice agent, but for their business, cater towards their business. You show also the missed call calculator, which I'm about to show you later. This is how you can close them, right? You can literally close the deal much faster if you use that calculator. You can also pause the video here and go to the calculator yourself, but I will go and I will show you exactly how to do that for yourself. So again, no cold calls, no rejection, no chasing, just inbound leads who are ready for your offer and who are ready to purchase your offer. So this is essentially like the main part of this video, and the most important part is you build the AI voice agent. You promote it in your videos. You obviously, in your videos, you educate people, and then you demo the call and you close the call. You close the client on the call. So that's what you're trying to do. Now, how this looks like is you want to first obviously build your own AI receptionist. This becomes your demo tool that you can go and that you can automate pretty much. So the YouTube viewer goes and clicks your link. It calls the AI demo. The AI qualifies and books them. And then the call basically is on your calendar. If you use Go HighLevel for this, and I would recommend Go HighLevel, you will be able to brand your AI voice receptionist. The local businesses will be able to call it. It schedules local businesses on your calendar, and you just set it up once and it runs forever, okay? You obviously want to set it up on a domain. Now, why is this the best sales asset? It is because it is your product demo. It is literally what you're trying to sell to them. They will be able to see, okay, this guy knows what he's talking about. Let me book a demo. They book the demo, and then they literally talk with your AI voice agent, okay? It qualifies them and it books them automatically on your calendar. It works 24/7. So even if you're not from the US, maybe, you know, you're from Croatia like me, I'm from Croatia. So, you know, I can go and I can literally sleep and my AI voice agent will work and book calls for me. I mean, that's pretty crazy. I don't need staff, I don't need salary, and no sick days. And pro tip here, as you can see, you can use the same AI on the sales call, but you just reprompted it for their local business, okay? So again, this is something that I already said, but this is something that you can do, okay? Now, obviously, YouTube here is very important to understand YouTube as a inbound sales machine. Essentially, the target audience, let's say they're HVAC owners, plumbers, or contractors. The video topic can be, for example, AI versus hiring a receptionist, real cost comparison, and then you just add the year, which can be 2026, 2027, right? And the video call to action can be talk to our AI for free, and you just link your AI. And again, you can post 2 to 3 videos per week. I usually like to post more. So what I do is I post at least 50 videos in 1 month. And then I go to the posting schedule, which is 2 videos, because then I batch post. I practically preload my viewership because I'm trying to actually go and rank on these terms like AI versus hiring a receptionist. And by the way, guys, like, if you want a really in detail, specific way how I'm ranking on YouTube and how I'm attracting more people, you can go and sign up to our 30-day free trial link below on Go High Level, and you will get access to the private community as well as the access to the YouTube course. It's literally one long video where I'm basically showing you how you can rank and how you can generate views that turn into customers. So in this case, this is how it goes. Video gets views, views gets clicks, calls your AI demo, AI books the call, and then you close on the call. So it's as simple as that. Obviously, you will need some time until YouTube videos compound and viewers compound, but that's essentially what you're trying to do. So this is what you should do. You show up, you demo, and you close. So move 1 is you demo the same AI with their prompts. This is what your receptionist will sound like, and they instantly see themselves using it. Option number 2 is opening the missed call revenue calculator. And this is the calculator right here. Essentially, what you're trying to do is you're trying to sell them on logic, on pure logic, right? So in this case, let's say daily, they get, I don't know, they get like maybe 5 calls daily, right? That are missed. The calls that convert to customers, let's say they're 20%, which is very low. And the average service price, let's say, is $250. So daily, they're losing $250. Weekly, they're losing $1.7K. Monthly, almost $8K. And annually, almost $100K. Okay, that's crazy. So with this calculator, you can literally go on a call and you can sell these people on your service. So this is number 2, option 2. You can pretty much go and calculate their lost revenue with the AI voice agent. They're pretty much getting everything, everything in return, essentially. So all the money that they're losing, they're getting back. And move number 3, you can present the offer. They feel the pain, they seen the product, done the math, close the deal, and just onboard them. So that's what you can do. Again, for the missed call revenue calculator, you can go to pointsetter.lovable.app. And here you can pretty much go and you can use this calculator for yourself on the calls. So again, the AI got them curious, YouTube got them interested, the calculator got him convinced, and then you simply close the deal. So that's essentially how I'm trying to do the calls and how I'm usually doing the calls because it's the most efficient way. But again, you need to get them on a call. And in order to get them on a call, you need a traffic source, which in this case is YouTube. So yeah, if you want to learn more about YouTube and how we are leveraging YouTube for the traffic source for the local businesses, you can go and check out our 30-day free trial below. After you sign up to that 30-day free trial, you will be able to get essentially the access to our private community and all the other things like, templates, website templates and stuff like that. So yeah, if you have any questions, feel free to let me know in the comment section below, and yeah, we'll see you in the next video.